Hello! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart on this device. So basically, if your watch is frozen and unresponsive, or something is bugging out on it, you can force a restart, and hopefully that will fix your problems. To force a restart on this device, we need to press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the REALME logo on the screen. Once the logo appears, you can release the button, and after a second or two, your watch should boot into a system. And that's how you force a restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.